Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can send crypto from Metamask to Trustwallet. So basically, in order to send crypto from Metamask to Trustwallet, the first thing you're going to do is you are going to open your Trustwallet app, and we need to click on receive because we are going to receive crypto, of course. So in order to do that, just click on receive right here. Now the second thing we are going to do is open our Metamask, and now we want to make sure which chain we are on. We can currently see that I am on the Ethereum main network, so what I'm going to do right here is just simply type in my password real quickly, just like this, and then what I'm going to do is click on all networks, click on Ethereum, and then click on Ethereum right here, because currently we are on the Ethereum network. Click on Ethereum because that is the only asset I currently have in my wallet, as you guys can see. And then basically the only thing you need to do is just copy your wallet address, just like I'm going to show you guys right now. Just click on copy and you will copy your wallet address, and that's basically where you want to send your crypto to. So I open Metamask, I click right here, basically at the bottom in the middle of the taskbar. I click on send. What I then do is I paste that basically that wallet address we just copied. It will say a check mark, meaning that everything matches and the change are correct. Then click on next, type in how much crypto you want to send, so for example 0.001. Then click on next, and basically once you've done that, just click on send, and then within a few minutes your Ethereum from Metamask to Trustwallet should appear over in your Trustwallet, and this can of course be done with any crypto coin. It's the exact same progress. So yeah, that's basically all you need to do. If you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.